Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to create split screen effect in CapCut. First, open CapCut, then import 3 videos. Then select the C-roll video.
You can try lower the opacity for better adjustments.
Now select mask options from the right side. Then select this mask and adjust it. And then select B-roll and do the same steps.
Now make the opacity to 100. Here is the preview.
That's it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.